Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today the background is a little different because I just want to do kind of vlog thing, not like completely vlog because I feel really miserable and depressed because I have a cold right now. I caught a cold 2 days ago. I wore really light thin sportswear and I workout and that affected my health. So I got cold. I was just like lying on my bed and feel like shit. So I decided to just go outside and get some sunshine and just walk around. So I got pearls for making me some hot tea. My mom made that yesterday and the taste is really good. And that's really good for immune system when you get a cold. So I just want to share the recipe. This is just a random idea I want to film because I did have a plan for filming. My actual plan was doing a haul video because I shopped. This is a new outfit from Zara, but my voice sounds really weird and I don't know, just want to share this recipe for you guys who are sick. And this is not perfect timing for me because I'm in between jobs and just spend so much time on finding companies I want to apply for by myself, and that's not really great because we are social animals. I just want to feel better, so I decided to film. Anyway, the ingredients I want to share is, so I got these pearls, Korean pearls. I know the Western pearls and Korean pearls are different, but I think you can use any pearls. I heard that pearls are pretty good for cold, and I prepared this cinnamon stick. This is a really important ingredient. This is dried gingers. I need real gingers, but my mom told me like you can just use this dried one, you don't have to buy, so I decided to use it. If there are jujubes, that's gonna be perfect, but I feel like mom used them up all, so I just want to use them to make tea for cold. Let's jump into it. So I put all of them in a pot. You can see cinnamon and dried gingers and pearls, chopped pearls. And I'll put some water and I'm gonna boil. I'm just bored, so I just want to talk. I feel like whenever we feel sick, whenever we have a cold, the most important thing is thinking like, oh, it's gonna be better. And I'm gonna use this chance to recover, get rest, instead of being victim or being sad. When I'm sick, I cannot go outside, I cannot do things I want. The most important thing is like just being positive and just use this time to take care of yourself and get enough rest. And just drink a lot of hot tea and water and get enough sleep. So it's gonna be okay. I think I'm gonna be completely okay tomorrow so I can do my routine again. Yeah, that's all I want. Oh, I hear the sound. The water starts boiling. And one of the life update is that I will have an interview on next Monday, so pretty excited about that. Yeah, nothing special. Nothing. This is the final product and I'm gonna try this on and I will explain the taste. So hot, so it's sweet because of the pearl, but it also spicy because of cinnamons and gingers, and I try to make it more spicy because I love the flavor of ginger, and I heard that ginger is pretty good for improving my immune system to get recovered from the cold. So it's spicy. Yeah, it's not that too sweet. Anyway, I'm just gonna enjoy my tea and hopefully I'm gonna be okay completely tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching my random video. Hope it helps if you're sick right now. Have a beautiful, wonderful, great day and see you in my next video. Bye guys.